Ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Timothy Bosire is an esteemed leader globally. He truly means well for the Omogusi community and Kenya at large. It's quite unfortunate, archaic, and barbaric that other malicious leaders from Gusii land are noisily blowing their own trumpets unreasonably well for selfish interest and show-offs, thereby mudslinging Honorable Timothy Bosire, a selfless, true servant to the people. There is absolutely nothing wrong or immoral when people come together to amicably discuss matters affecting them. Ladies and gentlemen, Kenya is a free and a democratic republic with freedom of expression. Honorable Bosire has chosen the path to bring Omogusi Amo. We cherish this bold move and wise move. On Thursday, 21st August 2025, various leaders and representatives from a variety of sectors from Gusii land converged at the Exotic Hotel in Kericho to discuss the following pertinent issues affecting Omogusi. Number 1, unity. Number 2, our political tools. Number 3, leadership structures. Number 4, representation. 5, our diversities, and 6, our common interests. Those purporting through irrelevant and irresponsible propaganda that the meeting was extensively and externally sponsored are ill-informed and thoroughly misadvised. To this effect, be ye informed that Honorable Timothy Bosire deliberately, willingly, and selflessly, through his own efforts, facilitated the successful meeting that was held. As you all know, when two brothers fight over their father's land, the neighborhood benefits. Those sponsored to negatively taint Honorable Bosire are hereby advised that their negativity won't yield. Their conduct can be equated to a tortoise on a stump, on a tree, which cannot be asked who placed it there or what it is doing there. Diligently, a wise person would rather help it climb down. Those doing unhealthy propaganda or make believe, we shall help you be advised in due course. It is time we stopped Enyanda Mwamu, Obo Onche, and Obwekagi for the interest of all. An outfeed, referred as Omogusi Noyomo, is the way to go. As much as you are equal, you are blessed differently. Count your own blessings. This demands respect for others' decisions. Finally, we call upon Honorable Kemosi and Honorable Magara to fully and in totality respect other equal leaders from Gusii land in equal measures. Every sane son and daughter of Omogusi supports our culture and aspirations. Needless to say, our political aspirations support him more than other imposters. However, we welcome them, our brothers and sisters, on board to heartfully support him as well. Ladies and gentlemen, may we be keepers of one another, but not killers. This pleases our God. Thank you all.
Asante. Weka pamoja. Sisi hatujakataza mtu yeyote. Mwenye ametangulia ni Timothy Bosire. Si ni sawa? Kama wewe pia unataka kutuweka pamoja, Mheshimiwa Magara, Mheshimiwa Kemosi. Tunajua nyinyi mlikuwa marafiki ya Ruto sana kuliko sisi wakati tulikuwa na Matiang'i kwa Azimio. Tunawaomba nyinyi pia mkuje, sisi hatukatai, tuketi na nyinyi pamoja, tutembee pamoja kama jamii ya Omogusi. Wajumbe, maseneta, magavana wetu, viongozi wa wazee, viongozi wa wamama, sisi sote tutembee pamoja kama jamii ya Omogusi. Sitakuwa sawa? Wangapi wamekubaliana hivyo? Kwa hivyo sisi tuna champion for unity and the unity of purpose for purpose of us as a community to benefit.
My name is Mengo Chwangi. Inje by right no Omogusi sengenjege ndokerikia bekwa seke Gusii ndetengeranĩria matabomba aria kwana mang'ana aria somo gwike Gusii. Umuroberio rio renge Kericho na arengo in person. Monto tayo uramete gosaga kora ebintu kiange mamincha bana bagotaba ngo monto chire koira abantu mamincha ne karanga rikyo Omogusi bana torengerete bono iga. ekero yarenge boigo igo ntete goteba omogaka konye nsigete obomorai bwa echama ya PDP ogocha gotiokia omonwa gocha goteba ng'a abagusii bachire bugeka ase egento getarenge boigo atiga obonyandamwamu obwabwate ekiara nonye nere ase emiaka yaye 10 osiririe abagusii ase ogotwara agachama kaye abegete gokorageria efamiri yaye. Igo twachiete amo buna abagusii totebani ng'aki tokoba amo toboririe ebinto biaito amo buna abagusii. Mae komosika Emmanuel Oyonga ekiara ere naroni record ya ogoteba ng'onye na ebiama ebi tokobibuna totware ekiama ekemo togende buna abagusii tokogenda amo. Igo ntete koboria ng'a nonye na abanto bari moakana amatabomba ndaakanu korwa mumbu aria agocha korama omosike Timothy Bosire bwerure gotumia enibo yaye kobeka abagusii amo buna omogaka egere abanto toba amo aegwa amasikani yaye. Onye motagete koria ebinto mokoria orosana genda morigie lakini motigane na Timothy Bosire momosike obochoni bori mobwate ntotaete korora. Ntomaete gusie direction tokogenda ngobebanga tore naende toche toba abanto abaya tomanye ng'aki togosukia omogusii gochia bosio. Twarosire na kono kobagana abagusii eng'encho ekabira eye nonya mogotema ng'a ngosaria eketimo okonyara kiara twarenge twensi amo. Igo otagete gontebi ng'a aye ore mamincha ya abagaka council of elders barenge aria abagaka abanene abarai ba ekanisa barengo abarai ao abarimu na abang'ina na abarimi barenge iga aria aye bono ore omokong'u kobabua kwana gotema nonya rituko erimo obeka abagusii amo bate ntotete onde direction eye osike omogusii aye genda origie ebinto bia onye nkwana goisaneka origie ase okorigochi lakini osike Timothy Bosire obekire omogusii amo. Inche ntagete koboria abagusii baminto ng'engaki yaikire bono mwarang'ainirwe amatuko amange mogwesiarera mpaka nonya ekero tokorigia egento togoteba ng'a toisaine. Enare kobaboria ng'a twensi buna twaikaransa twarobeirie omoroberi oyo totagete kogenda ngoikera tore kera omonto tosoa ase amo tokwane buna omogusii naende onde tabang'aina. Ebinto ebi bikona kominyoka social media abanto bari babwate gotwara amasikani bakobeka abanto amo batarakora motigane amang'ana abo ekiara nonya na oborai bwagusii ndoche babosikire naende Nairobi are gokwanera acha agusii atotebi ng'a naki oywo akwanete bogeka na amang'ana aria agoteba.
Naitwa Evans Ontegi na mimi ni miongoni wa viongozi wale ambaye tuna champion umoja wa jamii yetu ya Omogusii. Tarehe 21 tuliitwa na Mheshimiwa Timothy Bosire huko katika Exotic Hotel tufanye mkutano ya Wakisii, tuzungumzie kuhusu UNIF ambaye itasomwa na Secretary General wetu katika kikundi chetu ambaye inazungumzia umoja wa jamii yetu ya Omogusii. Kwa hii kikundi kuna viongozi wengine, kuna wakina mama, kuna wafanyabiashara, tuko wengi. Tuko watu zaidi ya watu 600, tuna champion maneno ya umoja wa jamii yetu na zida zetu kama jamii. Tutatatua namna gani tukiwa pamoja. Mengi zaidi